Hey guys, this is Page from Beebom.com, and like every other year, a new version of MIUI is coming very soon. I'm talking about the upcoming MIUI 13 update. So what are the new features it'll bring? What do we know about it so far? Well, I'm going to tell you all about the MIUI 13 update, and I'm also going to tell you why I think this might be the most important update for Xiaomi. Okay, so first up, MIUI 13 is set to be coming in August with the Mi Mix 4. Yeah, Xiaomi is launching a Mi Mix phone this year with an under-display camera tech, and it'll be the first phone to come with the brand new MIUI 13 update. As for what the MIUI 13 is rumored to bring, we saw a leaked video of the new power menu which showed a new animation. And we also saw the new file manager that's set to be part of MIUI 13, and as you can see, it brings a new homepage, new cool animations, and a redesigned Mi Drive page. Well, apart from these minor leaks, there's actually a whole list of rumored MIUI 13 features. Let me show you. So according to rumors, MIUI 13 should bring improved UI and animations, better touch sensitivity, improvements to scrolling screenshots, improvements to screen recorder, and I hope there's support for high FPS. It's also set to bring in new themes, new cool super wallpapers, new gestures, better always on display, a scheduling option for airplane mode which sounds handy, a better notification shade that will manage old and newer notifications better while also letting you respond to text faster. There's also set to be fast charging improvements, probably for battery health, and a new power mode for better battery performance. Now these are obviously rumored features, but yeah, they sound good. Now what's really important is that Xiaomi recently set up a new division for MIUI. So this new division is called the MIUI Pioneer Group, and its main task is to gather info and feedback from users and the MIUI community for both the Chinese ROM and the global ROM so that they can quickly fix all of the MIUI issues before rolling out the new MIUI 13 update. In fact, there's also a new survey from this team in the Mi community that asks the users for feedback and issues. Now, Mi community is banned in India, so we can't access that, but yeah, overall, this MIUI Pioneer Group is a good step. Look, overall, the MIUI 13 update should add some really cool new features to MIUI, and that's great. That's really a good thing. But let's take a look at the other side of MIUI, the inconsistencies and the bugs. I mean, the biggest problem with MIUI right now is the bugs. It's crazy. Let me give you a couple of examples. So recently there was news all around the internet of Poco X2 users not able to use the camera app after the update. That's big. I mean, Xiaomi did give out steps to fix it on Twitter, but how can that reach every single user? I mean, a lot of people already went ahead and paid money in the service center to get this fixed. It's crazy. Another example is the Redmi Note 9 and other budget phones facing performance issues with the MIUI 12 update. So Xiaomi just going ahead and releasing another update that removes features like floating windows, the new control center, and more. Now there are a lot more examples, and even the Mi community forums are filled with hundreds of complaints for almost every single Xiaomi device. I mean, I know a lot of you guys have faced bugs in MIUI, so make sure to comment that below. And you know what? Xiaomi is actually aware of all of these issues. I mean, MIUI's R&D head recently apologized for all of these issues. Here's what he said, translated from Chinese. So yeah, he's actually right. Xiaomi just did not do enough to make sure that updates are stable. And you can clearly see that the MIUI bugs are actually device specific. So one device has one kind of bug, another device has another. It's not the same on every device. Look, it's clearly a matter of MIUI not being properly optimized for each and every device. I mean, do you guys remember the Mi A3 bricking saga with the Android 11 update? I mean, that was insane. I know that was not MIUI, but it was an update that came directly from Xiaomi. And they're clearly not tested it, because how could a well-tested, supposedly stable update break a phone? Now I understand, Xiaomi launches a lot of phones, Poco phones, Redmi phones, Mi phones, but quality control is a big issue. I mean, nobody likes their phones going crazy, worse, with an update that's actually supposed to make things better. It's a big issue. So you know what? If someone from Xiaomi is watching this, there are actually only 3 simple things we want from MIUI. First up, the cool features, the animations, the UI, it's all nice, it's great. But with MIUI 13, you guys should focus on the experience. Xiaomi phones deserve a bug-free experience that gets better with updates, not worse. Second point, it's high time Xiaomi fixes the whole MIUI setup process in its phones. See, right now, be it the flagship Mi 11 Ultra or the budget Redmi Note 10, you get the same setup experience on MIUI that sneakily wants users to install recommended apps, use the glance lock screen feature, which basically is adware. So yeah, it's high time Xiaomi lets go of this cluttered, shady setup experience. Third point, and we've said this time and again, there's got to be better RAM management in MIUI. I mean, this has been a problem with Xiaomi phones since forever, but with now budget phones coming with 6 and 8 gigs of RAM, there's actually no need for MIUI to kill apps in the background, and yeah, Xiaomi should fix this. Now there's actually one more thing, maybe more timely updates with MIUI and maybe 3 years of major Android updates for all of its phones, but yeah, maybe I'm asking a bit too much. See, ultimately the point is, and we've said this in the past as well, great hardware deserves a great software experience. I mean, we all know how good Xiaomi phones are when it comes to design, the specs and the hardware. Just think about it. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the Mi 11X, the Mi 11X Pro, the Mi 11 Ultra, all of these phones are mostly unmatched. But at the end, the decision comes down to whether you can accept MIUI or you can't. And this is what Xiaomi needs to fix with MIUI 13. To be honest, the MIUI Pioneer Group is actually a very good step because Xiaomi needs a big push when it comes to a software experience. If you ask me, a cleaner, more optimized, better MIUI experience will take Xiaomi to just another level. So yeah, I really wish Xiaomi fixes MIUI because the next MIUI updates is what will break or make Xiaomi. Well, what are you guys expecting from MIUI 13 and what are the bugs that you've been facing that you want Xiaomi to fix once and for all? Comment down below. Also, this is very important, share this video so that it reaches the good folks at Xiaomi. So yeah, make sure to share this video, like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.